Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabrina and it's been a hot minute, let me tell you. I've been so busy with life, doing some bridal showers for my best friend who's getting married in almost 2 weeks. So excited. And weddings and life. And in today's video we're gonna do a Boxycharm unboxing. Yeah, my favorite part of the month. And this will be May's. And look, it's in a small box. How crazy, right? And by the time I upload this video, it'll be my daughter's birthday. Happy birthday, Layla. I love you so much. I can't believe you are 14. Where did the time go? All right, well, let's get to this video. All right, guys, see you in a minute. All right, let's see. Cut her open. Let's see. Oh, can you guys see? All right. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, it's Make Waves. Let's see. The first thing is a nice big size. A Glam Glow. Look how beautiful that freaking case is. It's called the Glam Glow Gentlebubble Cleanser. Gentle, but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel. Daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but officially cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Amino acids condition well. The vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep condition and remove impurities, soap, fragrance, and SLS/SLES free. All skin types approved. Look at that. And it's originally, if you were to buy it at a store, it's $28. And it is a 5-ounce bottle. I'm just going to show you it real quick. Oh, look how big the tube is. Okay, it's just a clear gel. Oh, sorry. A pearl-less. See it? Yeah, you see it? Okay. Okay. Well, not much you can really see with a cleanser, but that's going to go into my master bathroom for my daily, nightly routine. Okay, let's see what the next item is the Alamar Colorete Blush Trio. So that would be this. Ooh, I love getting little palettes. Okay, and it has like a little protective sticker. Ooh, those are definitely colors I'll be using. Let's see if I can. My hands are still a little bit damp from cleaning them, but not bad colors at all. This one definitely will be for a more lighter complexion, but that's nice. And the description on it: get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery smooth, it is very buttery, highly pigmented and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. MSRP $22, and that's great because you get 3 blushes. All right, our next one is a Ciate London, which would be this one. It's an eye luster cream eyeshadow. It says your new Ciate London luster will help you create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittery liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. And this is in the color Cupid. Oops. Let's see. Ooh, girl, that is beautiful. It's purple, but yet it has gold flakes. Ooh, I'm gonna have me a purpley gold. Oh my goodness. Ooh, so beautiful. don't know if you'll be able to pick up the purple. Let's see. Let's turn you away. No, it's not making any difference. Let's turn you away. No, but... and then it blends out really nice too. It's really, really pretty. I really like that one. And the MSRP on this one will be $22. That's not bad. Alright, let's see. The next one would be a Dose of Colors. I haven't tried this kind of lipstick, so I'm very excited to. It's a liquid matte lipstick. It says, your new Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich long wearing color. It applies creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. And this is the color Coral Crush. Ooh, that might be nice for my skin tone, huh? Let's get a little bit of this glitter off my hand. Alright. Oh, and it has like a nice doe foot too. Oh wow. It's more of a reddish coral on my skin tone. You see that? That's really pretty. Probably go with my look today. Right. And then the last item would be from Mellow. Let me see. From Mellow. And ooh, it's a brow definer. I love brow products. The non-greasy Easy Glide formula in your new Mellow Cosmetics brow definer pencil is about to revolutionize your brow game with a triangular tip for easy hair-like strokes and long-lasting formula to ensure your brows don't budge. That's awesome. Let's see if it lives up to it. MSRP on this one and on the lipstick is $18. Let's see. And it's in taupe, which we'll see how it works out for me. Since I am going more blonde, I might look really good. Let's see. Okay, so it reminds me of the Makeup Revolution. Okay, not bad. It's very light. So maybe that will be a fader. Here's the Makeup Revolution one. And they're kind of like the same with the triangular. And then, let's see, does this have a spoolie? Yes, it has a spoolie, so you can go ahead and brush them brows. Alright, and that's it that came in my box this month, which I'm totally excited. I'm going to definitely try out the brows, if not on me. My mom has blonde hair. Yes, my mom. Blonde hair, green-eyed. Very wonderful woman. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. And to all my sisters out there and mommies. Let's see. I'll definitely get use on all these. I'm more excited to try this bad boy right here. The Glam Glow Gentlebubble Cleanser. Because who wouldn't want to do a cleanser after a long day of wearing makeup? That's my favorite part, is taking it all off, believe it or not. Alright guys, let me know what you guys got in your boxes down below. And if you haven't tried Boxycharm and you want to, I'll drop a link down below. That way you can easily access and you just fill it out and bada bing bada boom. Alright guys, there you have it. This was May's Boxycharm. And I hope you guys love this video. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to join my family by hitting that subscribe button. Alright guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful Mother's Day this weekend. Don't forget to tell your mother happy Mother's Day, and happy Mother's Day to my mom Shirley, and to my sister Jessica and Sydney, and to all my other mommy friends out there. I love you guys so much. Have a great day.